10 for no loss with a deficit of 264. Let's join the action as Bangladesh openers come out and they will face Pakistan's bowling with 10 for no loss.
Right then, Richard Kettleborough says we're ready to play here on day 3. Mir Hamza with the ball. Brilliant, excellent start. This time it's cleanly taken. This time it is a wicket, and it comes off a catch taken by Abrar cleanly. Pakistan have won.
No need to go upstairs. Sabrar gets his revenge. Shahzad gets his first wicket, and yes, that was straight in. Zakir will be bitterly disappointed. Unable to control it. His vigil comes to an end. 16 balls, goes for 1. Bangladesh 14 for 1.
Plays it late, plays it for 4. Shanto off the mark with the boundary. Oh, pulled him! Khurram Shahzad has to. And this time stumps rattled to Shadman Islam.
The man who set up Bangladesh's first innings in the first test. He's fallen across and managed to drag it onto the stumps. He'll feel a little bit unlucky. What a huge wicket for Pakistan. They are right in this game. Bangladesh under the pump. Shadman Islam goes for 10. Bangladesh 19 for 2.
Oh, that's another one! Bangladesh 3 down. Guess who again? It's Khurram Shahzad. This time he's not middle stump out.
His head fell over, watch that, and he's cleaned up. It's a good delivery early on to a new batter. Pakistan on fire. Wickets tumbling. Bangladesh under real pressure in this first session on day 3. Najmul Hasan Shanto, the captain, goes for 4. It's 20 for 3.
With pace. In the air, gone. Another one. Mominal just chips it to it on. Pakistan on fire. Bangladesh lose their foot.
I just feel that might have been a slower delivery. Played the shot too early. There you go. And a soft dismissal in the end. Wickets are tumbling around. Wickets coming from both ends. This time is Mir Hamza, who picks up Muminul Haq for 1. Bangladesh in all sorts of trouble. 20 for 4.
Lovely delivery. That is a beautiful delivery. Neck and God. Huge wicket. Mushfiq departs. It's one with the catch, but Mir Hamza, excellent.
And what a pitch, what a jaffa that was from Mir Hamza. Back to play at it, just ahead of movement, pound swing, and the neck. Brilliant delivery. You see the back of Mushfiqur Rahim. Well, this is a big wicket. Half of the side gone. Mushfiq gone for 3. 26 for 5.
Once again, that is a huge shot given. The ball left back, Khurram Shahzad in business yet again. Shakib, taking the review.
Appears to be ball missing the bat. Can we confirm it? All right, please. Nice and slow. Keep rolling. There's a gap between bat and ball. Satisfied. No batting ball. Go for ball tracking manually next. Original decision out. Pitching outside off. Impact in line. Wicket somehow is gone. Stay with your original decision. Stand by. You're on screen. Facing you.
Bangladesh lose their 6th. It's now Shakib. It is Khurram Shahzad from round the wicket, wreaking havoc. Shakib out for 2. Bangladesh 26 to 6. Beautiful shot. That's a lovely cover drive. First time really that Mir Hamza through his spell has missed his length. Short ball cut away. That is a beautiful shot. Boundary. Mehdi Hasan Miraj through the offside.
That might be a wake-up call for them. You have to raise your skill level to be able to feature in test matches. Use the angle. There was too much, and the batter was rewarded with a boundary.
Slightly uppish, goes past that flying slip to the boundary.
On the up. And through the gap. And for 4. Shot. Control and crisp off the bat of Mehdi Hasan Miraj. Cut away for 4. Mehdi Hasan Miraj makes use of the half cracker and the width off of Abrar. Nicely timed. That is a crisply timed stroke. He continues to deal in boundaries, Mehdi. dealt with nicely. First session here on day 3 comes to a close. 26 overs, 75 for 6. The partnership of 49 from 89 from Mehdi Hasan Miraz and Little Das. But it was the Pakistan Pacers who made headlines. And the Pakistan Pacers in the form of Khurram Shahzad and Mir Hamza who wreaked havoc and blew apart the Bangladesh top 6.
What a brilliant performance by Pakistan Pacers, and they got rid of 6 Bangladesh top order batters for just 65 runs on day 3. After this performance, Bangladesh pushed back completely and also facing follow-on. Khurram Shahzad leading the way with 4 for 15 and Mir Hamza 2 for 29, completely demolished the top order. So the match summary at lunch: Pakistan 274 all out, Bangladesh in reply 75 for 6. Bangladesh winning the 199 runs, Mehdi Hasan and Little Das giving a fight back with 33 and 13 respectively, not out. Let's do the action of session 2 on day 3.
Khurram Shahzad with the first ball after lunch. Outswing. It's been impressive by Pakistani paces, but you expect a little battle, you expect a partnership, you expect Bangladesh to come back. Beautiful play, just waiting on it and just placed it away down to third. Picks up a boundary.
It's going to come from the opposition. Again, on Friday's delivery. A similar kind of result. Another boundary. A little loss. Another boundary. A little loss.
Beautifully played. Yet again, he's exposed that gap twice previous over. This time around again, just riding the bounce, angling the bat and goes to the fence. Nicely punched down the ground. Timing's good. Yet again, just a little punch through the line and the ball just skips away. That is fantastic timing yet again. Short ball in the air, but it'll sail away. It's against the gap. Little Das on the charge. Another boundary.
100 on the board. 100 on the board.
Lovely shot, 2-4 and a beautiful cover drive. This time from Mehdi Hasan Miraz and another boundary. Run certainly flowing. There we go, Little Das. Well, he's not stopping. That is a beautiful swing shot. The sound of the bat, immaculate.
Zone there.
Yes, lucky Abishway in the gap will go to the boundary before. Oh, takes that edge and past that fielder. Got a hand to it, but still has enough to reach the rope. That should get him there. Nicely done onto the onside. They'll come back for 2 and will complete a half a century. And the context of the game has more weight than just 50 runs. He's fought it out along with his partner and taking Bangladesh to avoid follow-on and then so on towards reducing deficit. And he will with a cracking shot. Just a single, but that's enough to get him to 50 of 81 deliveries. What a great partnership, what an important partnership along with Little Das. Really proves it why he's so important with the bat for his side.
Nice. Beautiful. What timing on that occasion from Mehdi Hasan Miraz.
And feel comfortable now to swing or chance his arms through the line as well. As Mehdi deals in boundaries, picks up his 11.
Just because he stays inside the line of the delivery, if he's shaping to cut the ball, if he comes back.
There's a man position and all he will do is watch the ball sail over his head and into the vacant stands here in Rawalpindi. 6 off the bat of Little Das.
He scored plenty of his runs against Naseem Shah in that particular direction.
Place for the mistime pull shot. He goes big here. Has he got all of it? He has. He gets inside the line and goes for a maximum.
The partnership goes over 150. This is proactive batting. So he walks across, makes sure that he hits it fine. Yes, it does go all the way. But even if he had made less of a connection, he was still trying to find that gap, which is fine off fine leg. And this time through the offside, that is beautifully timed. Square of the wicket offside, that races way to the fence.
Great work, yeah. This is gone. I think it's gone a long way. It sounded so good off the bat.
Just waits for it and then absolutely hammers this. Goes down in the heap, but the ball sailed away. In the air gone. And as we talk him up, one just held in the surface. Khurram Shahzad. Well, he's got 5 now.
Cometh the hour, cometh the man. Well bowled, Khurram Shahzad, 5 wickets. When his team needed it most, he stepped up. Entrusted with the new ball. Just got one to hold up. Pretty easy catch, as easy as they come. They'll be absolutely delighted with that. They've got the breakthrough of Pakistan exactly when they wanted it. Brilliant innings from Mehdi Hasan Miraz. He goes for 78. Bowled by Khurram Shahzad, 191 for 7.
Oh, bang in front, yes. Give it. Khurram Shahzad round the wicket, yeah. As is his partner if he can go with the DRS. Little Das, have you hit it? Little Nas, have you hit it?
Exactly the ball we were talking about. That angle in, the shape wide of the wicket, hiding it at that middle stump. And just doesn't get down on it in time. He's been so good today with that angle. Caused huge problems for the left-hander. Another one goes. Taskin Ahmed couldn't help the score. He gets 193 for 8.
And D has been taken with that wicket. Bangladesh trailed by 81 with a couple of wickets standing.
So at T, Bangladesh fighting it out 193 for 8, did lose 2 wickets, but Little Das still around at 83 and still looking strong. Pakistan bowlers after that amazing first session, 6 wickets for Khurram and 2 for Hamza. Quick look at the match summary. Pakistan 274 all out, batting first, and then Bangladesh in reply 193 for 8. Great comeback after being 26 for 6 at one stage. Bangladesh still trail by 81 runs. Time for the third and final session. Let's see which way it goes. Let's join the action as Little Das comes in to bat with Hassan.
Gives it air. This time doesn't even bother getting his hand out. He's already dropped a cotton. God says, maybe I didn't see that. Little Kumar Das goes to glory with a delicately played deft touch. And what a well-deserved century. His 4th in his test career and his first since May of 2022. Well played, Little Das. At the moment, it is all very, very good from Little Das. Straight back past the bowler. Picks up another 4.
Defense all drives it down the ground. Does better than defending. Hits it towards mid-on and goes to the fence. Boundary of the last ball. Classy ball, Raiba Hassan. Edge, and that's thrown away over the slip. Even with all the field set on the fence, he still finds a way to the fence. And he chances his arm. Well, even if the field was back, didn't matter because that has gone a long, long way. You should mind that.
Hassan, he's made 48 deliveries. It's a sweep. It travels the distance. Arms aloft from Michael Goff. And Little Das, he has now 4 big hits.
This one is hit out there. Is it hit to the man in the deep? It is. It's a fantastic catch. Saim Ayub. Some young legs sprinting around, and Little Das finally makes a mistake. Can you believe it? What an innings. And what a partnership that has been for Bangladesh.
Yeah, about 25 overs together, Little Das at 138 decides to take Salman Ali Agha. One of the rare sides of him mistiming a delivery from the toe end of the bat. Saim Ayub does the clean-up job. Takes a good catch, diving to his right. And take a bow, Little Das. It's 138, extremely well played knock. Bangladesh now 262 for 9. Oh, big shout. The finger goes up. Fairly straightforward. He will take the review.
Yes, confirm. Can we go straight to ball tracking? There's no shot of it. Organization out. Pitching outside, off. Impact, no shot of it. Wickets from first ball. Still the over leads, impact. Still ball. No screen. Missing out. Thank you.
Confirmation. Richard Katura raises his finger as Pakistan finally managed to roll Bangladesh out for 262. No shot offered by Nahid Rana. He goes for a duck. After a hard toil of 78.4 overs, Pakistan have managed to close Bangladesh's innings out.
So finally Pakistan managed to get Bangladesh out for 262 with 12 ahead. What a partnership that was. Little Das and Mehdi just took the game away. And then later on, rear guard action between Hassan and Little Das partnership. Pakistan for a moment had no answers for the way Bangladesh approached with the bat. Won't take it away from the new bowlers. Khurram got 6 for 90 and Hamza 2 for 50. Then the long waiting game of the remaining wickets they kept their focus on and managed to get rid of all 10 wickets for 262. Quick look at the end of Bangladesh first innings. Pakistan 274, Bangladesh 12 behind 262, and of course the lead would be 12. And of course Bangladesh trails by 12. Let's join the action as Pakistan come out to bat again with Saim Ayub and Abdul Rashid.
Now it's Taskin to start off proceedings. Oh, defensive. Little bit of shake away. Nicely just flicked away down to fine leg Nabil to the fence. So Laudi to end the first over. Edge and gone. First success. Hassan Mahmood with an outswinger. A loose little drive from Abdullah Shafiq. And first success for Bangladesh.
The previous delivery was just a little bit in, but have a look at this. It's wide. It's flirting with danger, and it is Hassan Mahmood first blood. It is a big wicket, and they know it. Early breakthrough does matter. He goes for 3. The
outswinger that hits off stump, and that'll be stumps. Bangladesh pick up the night watchman with a Chafa Hassan, just getting the ball to move enough.
Yes, it's the night watchman, but you still got to execute it. In my word, top of all stuff, you couldn't have done it better. What a delivery at the end of the day. And what a boost for Bangladesh, who will feel like they've had a fantastic day today. They really have dug in and got the rewards. And then just when you thought Pakistan could go in, naught down, they've lost 2 wickets. Night watchman Karim Shahzad goes for naught.
Well, not today. Pakistan would like to recall and remember for long. First session belonged to them, and then after that, the whole remaining day went to Bangladesh. Pakistan reduced to 9 for 2, losing Abdullah Shafiq Jikri again, and then the night watchman in Khuram Shahzad. What a day, or rather, what an evening for Hassan. First with the bat, and then later on with the ball. 1.4 overs, 2 for 3 at the end of the day's play. So after day 3, Pakistan 9 for 2 with a total lead of 21 runs against the opposition. 8 wickets in hand, lots to play for. Hope you enjoyed.